When you paddle, it's euphoric when you actually pull water. When you actually pull water with a blade.
You naturally learn it's not about you. It's about what the team's doing.
It's very interesting. It's a something for everybody sport.
It was just so exciting to think that I can do this and I can be an athlete even though I am older, and I never thought I could before.
You just don't quit. There's just no way you can quit. You know, maybe you're gonna die, but it doesn't matter what happens. Keep going.
Society or came together somehow with dragon boating.
What every good coaches need, a pink fluffy mirror and pink sunglasses.
Sharing such a life-altering experience, a life-threatening experience with other people. I mean, we're in the same boat.